on the non-rehearsal by gospel artist and meet on stage that is now prevalent. Yeah, this one I understand. Popular. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that is the first question. And then they say I'm going to also take you up on your first statement like bese ngikhommitha uzodwa noBranco. Your first statement now Jamala ngokuthe mani ingapheli i-workshop le even if there's no money. Bese ngigeqa wear my cap and say Kwekwezi FM has got a music workshop every November. We started last year Sayisa kwadlawulani. I therefore commit yourselves, Zodwa no Blanco, that you should bring it to Dr. James Moraka, as I actually wanted from the beginning. That you bring it here. And I would love this kind of information and the band to be part. We'll deal with the issues of sound and stuff like that because they cost, we can deal with that. But on the other costs, they are spanning. So, as you said, Mami, let's do it, even if there's no cost. I am committing you as you've said it, so I'm taking it from you. And all right. And then basically, Branko Kambula, I also would request the documentary that you've spoken about the legendary Mr. Skosan. Ungabizi izinto esizikhulumako nasizikumnandi sibona abontokozo base izinto esizenzako and have it as a YouTube documentary that also Ikwekwezi can be proud of. Sengithwala ezinye bese ngingehla ke ngibuyele me as a musician. I think I'm happy Nozodwa Modena as a musician, as a person, because all my life, so long I'm telling you Zodwa, as a musician. Because thanking ngawufunda music actually nasi ngathi sikhuluma lento bathe ukuzenza bo 5 4 9 ngizazi into ezo mina ngavume esondweni nebathi uyakwazi ukuvuma awa nokungathatha birthday akhona awu bathi ayikwazi ukumukela studio. To be honest with you, ayinamsengeza njengoba abanye basebenza uzodwa wathi ngithi akangifundise and it has always been no ngizeka nengesikoleni sakho. However, this is beautiful. I was talking to Branko about what he's talking about, that sometimes akusese lula ukuhlanganisa abantu ngalendlela because abantu into zabo kodwa na online. Now that we have this recording, whether you charge us for it, but this is information that we need because most of us we were told we are talented, but we don't know the first thing about the actuality of music. And it's all about 4 4 7 7. No, this is a straightforward 2 2.